Welcome back to the channel, everyone. New Mickey Mouse animated 4-item. I don't know, I'm so excited. I was checking online at Home Depot. I saw they had it sold out, and then when I stopped by Home Depot to get some paper towels, it was in stock. They had 3, so I purchased it immediately. And I figured I would do a how-to on how to set it up. This is my first time having anything big. So excited. Let's get into the video. Welcome to my how to build a animated Mickey Mouse Center. Okay, that was a lot to be said. So let's just start with instructions number 1. Step 1, lay out all the parts to make sure I have everything and I'm not missing, and then I'll see if I need any screwdrivers. Next step is to pull out the base and put the shoes and the poles so he can stand up. I have the base and the shoes put together. They told me to keep the foam so I make it look full. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pants on so that just the whole bottom part will be complete and put together. And the next step will be is to add the electronic portion, also his tummy, and then I'm gonna add 1 arm per my next step instructions. Also, everything is just plug right into the socket. There are no screws needed. And he also comes with a tail, because I forgot that Mickey Mouse is a mouse. And everything just latches right into like the allocated slot. So no screwdriving. For our next step, we're going to put the second arm in and also his head. And remember, like far as the electronics portion, they clip right into the slot. All the wires connect. They are the same matching colors. So that part was seamless. And finally, his ears. I decided not to use the hat, but the ears pop right in. And finally, the plug-in adapter, the AC adapter, is at the bottom of the box, so don't forget that.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. There was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
I'm gonna turn it down now.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Was the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.